Amiga, school has been tough lately. The exams and deadlines are stressing me out. But today, I wanted to share a lesson ecology that I learned in my school. Firstly, let's talk about what should we do before the calamity strikes. Reneby, Reneby. There you are, Reneby. We discussed calamities earlier in school. So what steps we should take to be prepared in every calamity?
Hola, Micaela. Before a calamity, we need to make sure that our place is safe. Secure any heavy furniture that can topple over an earthquake. Keep emergency supplies such as non-perishable food, water, and first aid kit in a backpack.
Wait, hold on. Let me call my backpack. I am the backpack. I have everything. I already have everything in me, and we shall have a plan in place. Note evacuation routes and designate a meeting spot outside of the dorm in case of emergency. Earthquake! Jesus! Jesus! Now, let's talk about what we do during a calamity.
So, hello amigos. When an earthquake happens, remember to drop, cover, and hold on. And get under the sturdy desk or table. Cover your head and neck and hold on until the shaking stops.
Oh man, but if you're outside, move to open areas away from buildings, trees, and open lines. Safety first, amigos. So what comes next after the calamity has passed? It's important to stay calm and assess the situation. Prias, Maricel, what should we do now?
So first, check yourself and others for the injury and administer first aid if needed.
Then, report any damages to the campus authorities so they can ensure everyone's safety. And don't forget to support each other during the times. We're all in this together, amigos. Earthquake!
Okay na mo kaligaw?